Hey everyone, and welcome to Saltbox Byte-Size Demos here. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing ISACA, who's one of the customers that we recently implemented order management and B2B commerce for their customers. We're going to start this demo out here on ISACA's homepage, and you can see right off the bat, it's personalized to look like ISACA's website. It also is personalized to the customer that's coming into the site. So you can see that it says Saltbox right here. And the idea behind this portal is to allow their buyers, what they call BPOC users, the ability to purchase different certifications and allow them to distribute those attempts to their employees. So I at Saltbox could purchase 10 different CISA exams here and be able to distribute that to 10 different employees inside of my organization. Now this gives them the ability to self-serve this entire purchasing process, which until recently was all very manual. So if we just go quickly down just to see the rest of this homepage, you can see that we have a featured products where they have the ability to show what products are the most important or featured at the top, be able to purchase by category, shop by category, and be able to easily see the balances. Now this is a really huge advantage to their buyers to be able to see their prepaid fund balance, how much they actually owe, and also see the product assignments that they have available. And then the ability to reorder. So to make this process nice and easy for our demo today, we're going to use this reorder capability here, which will automatically rebuild our order from that previous one. And if we go into the cart, we'll be able to see that we have this full kit CCAK in our bag right now, which is the print English version here. Now, because I have the print version here, this is actually a physical product. Now, one of ISACA's distinctions here is they needed the ability to handle both digital and print products. So if you go through the checkout process with only a digital product, you're actually going to skip all the shipping related information. And if you use anything with a shippable product in here, shippable materials, then you will go through the shipping information. So we're able to create a very dynamic process for them in the checkout. Now, why don't we jump right into checkout here? And you can see that it's using the new LWR checkout experience to make it really clean and easy. And you can see we have our cart details on the right hand side. We have what's actually in our bag on the right. And on the left hand side, you can see we're starting to build the billing addresses that are a part of this company. Now, we've also given the capability to add new addresses right here on the screen. And as I proceed through the steps here, I'll move through the shipping because this is a shippable product. So I need to select my shipping. And once I've gone through my shipping address, we'll move into our delivery options, which we are using a UPS integration in here to pull back the relevant options and also the dynamic prices. And this is really important because they have the ability to ship internationally to their customers, and these options change based on the location of that customer. Now, for their first launch here, we actually only started with purchase order. So we'll start by placing this order with just our purchase order. Now we have our order. Now, as a BPOC user or their buyer user, once I have an order confirmed, what I'll be able to do is go into my product assignment. And once I'm on my product assignment, I'm able to see all the different products I've purchased and how many I have available of what types. And this gives us the ability to select the ones I want to assign out to, and I can do one or many. And I can actually go down and I can either assign them out as an individual user, or I can upload a file that has all the users I'd like to assign to a specific product here. And this allows the BPOC users to self-manage their certification distribution, which then gets fed into their learning management system after this actually has been captured. And once I've successfully added one of my users as an assignee of one of these products, I'll be able to see all the assignments here that I've used within the past time frame and be able to break this down and filter down by the different assigned products. Now, just pulling up a quick example here on the back end, we have order management plugged into this whole process. So we can take this order through the entire life cycle and be able to manage it correctly. Now, they've also have some servicing actions here like logging a debit, adjusting the price, canceling an order, and they needed some visibility into some of their products and discounting. So we've customized a bit of the order summary page to be able to show bundled items, which was really important for them because they have kind of this concept of buying a bundle, which are related to individual items that are assigned out. And they needed to easily see that. So we've been able to kind of show them that bundling down below. and add some of the discounting line items and columns up top to make it really clear what they're purchasing and allow the servicing actions and experience to be quick and easy. Thanks for joining us on this quick overview of ISACA.